Hello and welcome back to the Craft Mansion. My name is David and I'm sorry that I haven't posted a video in almost a year. I think it's been like 10 months. But to be fair, I need to stop saying sorry each time because realistically, I can't manage the amount of videos I used to. That's because I'm doing another bachelor's degree, this time in digital arts, and that keeps me busy as f***. However, that is not the only thing that's been keeping me busy, because I involve myself in a number of theatre productions as well. Therefore, I decided to share with you all my journey through this year's university musical production, also known as Students' Fest, titled Toy Story. Story being with an E because, well, copyright reasons. Obviously, these videos aren't tutorials, but they're not just vlogs either. So, context. For those of you who know me through my channel and therefore don't know what Students' Fest is, it is basically a yearly musical that is produced by our student council and involves a number of students in various departments. I myself was chosen as a prop coordinator along with Emily, who you'll see later on in the videos, in November of 2023. We, the crew coordinators, started designing and planning in December of that year, and then with the rest of the crew we built everything in February and March of 2024. The production itself was during the first week of April, and therefore in these videos I will be taking you through the process of what goes on in a theatre production from the perspective of a crew member. Now, for those of you who are coming over to my channel from Students' Fest, first of all I say welcome, and second of all I say subscribe. And yes, I will be filming these talking heads and voiceovers right here from the studio, as I usually do with my other videos. But these videos are essentially a nice little throwback to our production 3 months later. I will split the vlogs in order for each one to not be too long, and you may notice that I won't be going over the clips in timeline order, but rather I will be grouping them together for better cohesion. So, let us begin.
Hey!
Oh,
Mela.
this is
Day 2-ish.
technically two.
We had day 1.
Day
Actually,
one
wait.
was day one was get set. Okay, so this
Okay.
is not day two.
This is the
day
off-
one was
wait.
get set.
Get Set is essentially a day for brainstorming with the help of a professional theatre designer.
Official day 2. Technically day 3.
Like
day
five.
before,
Day
day
four,
5,
five,
or
something
no.
like that.
Like reorganized.
Or technically officially day 2.
Officially day one. Okay.
Officially day
Okay.
two.
So that was day one officially. Okay.
Our first job was to start thinking about the spacing of the set, hence the whiteboard. For better visualization, we made a miniature version of the set being at a ratio of 1:15. So we had the stage, the drummer box, miniature people being cut by a miniature person, keyboards, and the later to become famous tri-panels, amongst other things. This goes like this.
Okay.
Toy Story. What?
It's on what we have.
Okay, I will come
Sid's
back.
office.
Sid's office. No. This goes like this. That was essentially done so we could show our vision to the rest of the crew and cohorts. It was then designed digitally in more detail using Rhino and given color on Illustrator.
We have a Connect 4 and Toy Store.
I did the prop designs on Procreate. We had several paints left over from when we did last year's Students' Fest, but needed some more to be mixed.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay.
Now this is where the fun began. Actually building the stuff. There was the huge alphabet blocks to be put as part of the set, created using plastic boards and cardboard. Of course, we took the opportunity to start hiding some jokes all over the set. It's a student production. Of course we're gonna have immature jokes. Some of them don't even need an explanation. Illum il-ġimgħa insejtajn qegħdin crew awards biss għaddejjem nqabaz. Ara naqa. Look at all these boxes that they did yesterday. grown to be a grown-up Sid who was now a drug-addicted contractor. Hence the E in Toy Story, you know, stories, levels in a building. Anyways, we needed to create a wheat plant set in concrete. Of course, the leaves were fake, made out of cardboard and wire, to be then assembled along a broomstick. One of my biggest challenges was building Buzz's costume, so I started with the shape of the skirt, from which I made a template.
Wow!
Well, today's Saturday, and this is the thing you saw. It was yesterday, actually. Yeah, I literally brought crew home. There's the template. And I'm finally putting the skirt together. This is Buzz's skirt. It's so nice. Għamil ma jafx, għaw nofsu l-għawart bħal-issa edin il-Rumanija. Sewa, issa jena personalment, it-tim tijaj edin jena u Emily u nħoss nivell disappuntat li Emily mux għedawek, għamil ġimma wahdi.
Għattieħdu gost fil-water butt għax l-nu gost kokka u isħana.
I have to translate everything this stuff, I have to do captions. Because it is for YouTube.
It's gonna bring this. You like the water butts? Cause I'm in kokka. And it's hot.
Anyways, we've been here a week, nidbalu, which I don't know what translates to like to English.
Bullying.
We're mules. Shh, this is supposed to be a talking head, you're not supposed to sound.
We're bullying.
We're bullying.
Basicament, I hate you all respectfully. Miskom għawek, jena għawek. Bati ħabba wiċkom. Skom għawrtux!
I think it's really disrespectful. I mean, I'm here suffering all by myself, and these people are in the terminal box in Romania, and they're skiing, and I'm here, stay here till 1 in the morning, dreaming about student stress, drinking like 5 Red Bulls a day, crying, stressed, and they're skiing.
I was the crew of cast.
I made the wings from foam board and cardboard while Emily worked on the elastic of the skirt. This is what I called the toilet, which, for context, was this upper part of the costume. Somehow, I managed to build it.
Yes?
Then, I attached the wings, and voila! The top was mainly finished. Or so we thought. Now this is a historic moment. Are you even zoomed in? You're not.
No, I don't feel like. I also don't know how.
It's a slowish move. This is a historic moment because we're going to cut open the Buzz costume to make adjustments. Basically, it's a what's the phrase? Like
Get.
It's a point of no return. Which for me is kind of scary. So there's a bunch of hot glue underneath, so it's going to be difficult to cut them up. The new plan was to use straps to make it more flexible and have it stay on the actress through a backpack-like setup. So I destroyed an old bag I had in order to use its parts. Now, our Buzz was an influencer, so Emily created this Buzz-themed smartphone. And then she went back again to the skirt for readjustment, leading to this. Whoops. No Pixar project is complete without the usual Pixar Easter eggs. So we had the Pizza Planet rocket, A113, the Luxo Junior lamp, and of course the Luxo ball, which in our case had to be huge. So we managed to get a yoga ball, give it a white base coat, and paint it with the iconic pattern. Clearly our Miss Bo Peep had a little too much fun playing with the paint. Part of the set included a number of monkeys seen in Toy Story 1, which were built from foam board and cardboard. And that's it for the first video, but of course, this is not where the story ends. Story narrative, not story level, like in the show. I have 3 other videos coming out over the coming 3 days, where in the next one you will see the creation of some other props. Ideally, you get notified about these future videos, and that could be easily done by pressing the notification bell down below and subscribing if you haven't already. However, if you are a bit lazy, I'm going to leave the next video over here when it comes out. If you like this video, I urge you to like and comment your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, this is the Craft Mention, I'm David, and this has been the first video of Students Fest 2024 Toy Story.